Woodworking is an art form that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and functionality. Many people are drawn to woodworking not only for the satisfaction of creating something with their own hands, but also because it offers a unique way to express personal style. For those who may be short on time or are looking for quick projects that yield impressive results, there are numerous stunning woodworking projects that can be completed in a relatively short period. These projects cater to various skill levels and can be perfect for anyone wanting to dive into woodworking without committing to a long-term endeavor. One of the most rewarding short-term woodworking projects is building a decorative wooden tray. This project allows for creativity in design and functionality while being simple enough for beginners. To create a wooden tray, start by selecting a piece of wood that you find visually appealing. A hardwood like maple or walnut can provide a beautiful finish. Cut the wood into the desired dimensions, ensuring that you account for the depth of the tray. Once the pieces are cut, assemble them by joining the sides and bottom. Sand all surfaces to achieve a smooth finish, and consider applying a food-safe finish if you plan to use the tray in the kitchen. Personalize it with stencils or paint to create a unique design that reflects your style. This project not only serves a practical purpose, but also makes for a stunning centerpiece on any table. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning woodworking projects you can complete in a short time. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another quick project is crafting a set of wooden coasters. Coasters are always in demand and can be a fun way to use up leftover wood scraps. Choose a variety of woods to create an interesting visual effect, or stick to a single type for a cohesive look. Cut the wood into squares or circles, depending on your preference. After cutting, sand the edges and surfaces until they are smooth. To add a personal touch, consider engraving designs, initials, or quotes onto the coasters. Finishing them with a protective coat ensures durability and adds a polished look. These coasters can be sold individually or as a set, making them an appealing product for gifts or home decor. For those who enjoy creating items with a practical application, a wooden phone or tablet stand is an excellent project. These stands can be made in various styles and sizes, accommodating different devices. Start by selecting a sturdy piece of wood, then measure and cut it to create a base and a support for the device. The design can be as simple or intricate as you desire, incorporating angles that allow the device to sit securely while being easily accessible. Sand the edges and apply a finish that suits your aesthetic. This project is not only functional, but can also be a great gift for friends and family who frequently use their devices. Another engaging woodworking project is making a picture frame. While this may seem like a straightforward task, the possibilities for customization are vast. Choose wood that complements the decor of the space where the frame will be displayed. Cut the wood to form the frame, ensuring that the corners are mitered for a clean finish. After assembling the frame, consider adding decorative elements such as carvings or paint. You can also create a multi-photo frame for a more dramatic effect. This project allows for creativity and results in a beautiful item that can be used to display cherished memories. Wooden candle holders are another quick and stunning project that can elevate the ambience of any room. These can be made in various designs, from rustic to modern, making them versatile decor items. Start by selecting a piece of wood and cutting it into the desired shape, whether it be cylindrical, square, or an abstract form. Drill holes to accommodate the candles, ensuring they fit snugly. Sand the surface to achieve a smooth finish and apply a stain or paint that matches your home decor. These candle holders can be made in sets or as individual pieces, providing a warm and inviting atmosphere when lit. If you're looking for a project that can be completed in a single afternoon, consider crafting a wooden key holder. This functional item can help keep your keys organized while also serving as a decorative piece. Start by selecting a wood that fits your style, then cut it to the desired size. Attach hooks or small pegs to hold the keys, and consider adding a small shelf for mail or other items. Personalizing the key holder with paint or engraved designs can make it a unique addition to your home. This project is both practical and visually appealing, making it a great choice for a quick woodworking endeavor. Another attractive project is creating a simple wooden planter box. With a growing interest in indoor and outdoor gardening, a handcrafted planter box can be a great addition to any home. Start by cutting the wood into panels for the sides and bottom of the box. Assemble the pieces using wood glue or screws, ensuring that it is sturdy enough to hold soil and plants. Sand the edges and consider applying a weather-resistant finish if the planter will be used outdoors. Personalize it with paint or by carving designs into the wood. This project not only provides a functional item for gardening enthusiasts, but also adds a touch of natural beauty to any space. For those interested in home organization, a wooden wall-mounted shelf is an excellent project that can be completed quickly. These shelves are both functional and decorative, making them ideal for displaying books, plants, or decorative items. Start by selecting a sturdy piece of wood and cutting it to size. Consider incorporating brackets for added support, ensuring the shelf can hold weight without sagging. Sand the surfaces and apply a finish that enhances the wood's natural beauty. Wall-mounted shelves can be customized with different shapes and sizes, making them a versatile addition to any room. Creating a wooden serving board is another fantastic project that can be completed in a short time. Serving boards are not only practical for gatherings, but also make for beautiful kitchen decor. Choose a piece of wood with an attractive grain, then cut it to your desired shape and size. Sand the edges and surface until smooth, and apply a food-safe finish. You can personalize the board by engraving a family name or a meaningful quote. This project is not only a great way to showcase your woodworking skills, but also results in a functional piece that can be used for entertaining. If you have children or know someone who does, making wooden toys can be a delightful project. Simple designs like building blocks or small cars can be crafted quickly and are sure to be cherished. Use scraps of wood to create various shapes and sizes, ensuring all edges are sanded smooth for safety. Personalizing the toys with colors or patterns can make them even more appealing. Wooden toys are often seen as more durable than plastic alternatives, making them a popular choice among parents. This project allows for creativity and results in items that can be loved and used for years. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning woodworking projects you can complete in a short time. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.